Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Instagram. So the first step, you need to create Instagram theme page. So let's suppose you created Instagram theme page. You need to log in into your account on Instagram, and I'm going to show an example by which you can easily understand. So I'm going to open this theme page. That is in the motivation niche. You can create page in any niche that you want. So here you can see this is the training from this theme page. You can click on that and that will land onto your landing page from where you can. So let me show you, and here you can see shout out, because this page has a huge traffic and he is selling shout out to different persons that want the audience from that page. So here you can see that. So this is another page that promote on that page. So here you can see. Okay, so now you can understand. So here you can see that we land in onto the page. So here you can see IG marketing, get more followers. So you can see that order shout out, schedule call. So you can see that let's suppose you want to order shout out, you simply need to click on that and you can get the rates of the millionaire mentor, and you can easily buy shout outs from that page.
Hi, my name is Jason.
So let me mute this one. So here you can see that this is a video, and here you can see that two orders, one order, so it is you. Okay, and you can call that person, and these are the basically the page from where you can buy the shout out, and you can see different products that this person is selling with the help of this link in the bio, and you can find different product that is IG marketing, get followers campaign, order shout out, schedule calls. It is different things that this person is promoting now, and because that person have a huge traffic, so he get a good sales on his marketing. IG marketing, he get different clients for IG followers, he get clients for shout out. So there are difference because page build a quality traffic, and now that page is using that traffic to uh, earn money from this page. So this is the process how you can make money on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.